If you're looking for a beginner routine to tone and tighten your abs, then this is a session for you. Join me for a low-impact way to boost your energy, improve stability, and awaken your core, all while entirely seated in a chair. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into dynamic arm raises. Inhale, sweep your arms forward and up. Exhale, lower your arms, sweeping back. Continue coordinating this energizing movement with your breath, increasing circulation through your upper body while stretching through your arms and shoulder joints. Adding on, inhale, reach your arms overhead as you lift through one leg. Exhale, lower your arms and leg, repeating on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, reach through one arm as you lift through the opposite leg. Continue moving at your own pace, sitting tall, drawing your navel slightly in and up, feeling this action awaken your center. Release and return to center, moving into a boat pose variation. Clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift your right leg and hold, while keeping your spine long and your chest lifting. Go ahead and release and repeat on the opposite side, toning through your abdominal muscles while strengthening through your low back. Release and continue moving from right to left, or for more of a challenge, lift both legs and hold. As you continue lifting through your chest, lengthening your spine, feeling your abdomen, spine, and hip flexors working. Release and return to center. Interlace your fingers and reach your arms overhead. Inhale at the top. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, wrists, hands, side body, back, and ribs. Adding a cat-cow stretch. Inhale at the top, arms reach overhead, lifting through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue moving at your own pace, wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, neck, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle seated twist with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue gently rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, moving more from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, activating your obliques. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can sign up for a free chair yoga starter guide, plus 3 full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.